Hi. Welcome you all in learningeasytoday.com. In this video, we will explain the conceptual difference between structure and class in C++ programming. In C++, though structure and class look similar when they are declared and accessed, they are different in terms of default accessibility of their data members and member functions. Let's discuss the default accessibility of members in the structure. The default mode of accessibility in structure is public. It means all the members declared inside a structure are by default public. Consider this example code. Here in structure A, the data member value and member function set value are by default public. It means both can be accessed from the outside of structure A. This code snippet shows that value and set value of object 1 can be accessed directly in the main function. On the other hand, the default mode of accessibility in class is private. It means all the members declared inside a class are by default private. Now consider this example code. In class B, the data member number and member function set number are by default private. It means if we try to access them using an object of class B in the main function, it will raise an error that number and set number are by default private in class B. This code snippet shows that number and set number cannot be accessed outside of class B, that is in main function. Another major difference between structure and class is found in inheritance. The default mode of inheritance for structure is public while for class it is private. It means, if we do not specify the mode of inheritance for structure, the default mode of inheritance will be public. And if we do not specify the mode of inheritance for class, the default mode of inheritance will be private. Let's see the example code for structure. Here structure A is base structure with data member value. Thereafter, the structure A is inherited to another structure B without specifying the mode of inheritance. In this case, the default mode of inheritance will be public. It means the base structure A is publicly inherited to the derived structure B. The public data member value of structure A will remains public in the derived structure B and will also be available for further level of inheritance. Now let's discuss the default mode of inheritance for a class in C++. In this example code, class A is base class with a public data member number. Thereafter, the class A is inherited to another class B without specifying mode of inheritance. In this case, the default mode of inheritance will be private. It means the base class A is privately inherited to the derived class B. The public data member number in base class A will become private in the derived class B and will not be available for further level of inheritance. So in this video, we compared the structure and class in C++.